Good morning. My name is Jamie Shaw. I am a senior CAD support specialist with the Illinois Department of Transportation, and this morning we're going to go over how to get the IDOT Connect workspace, and then we'll go through how to install it. So if you go to the IDOT.illinois.gov and go to Doing Business and scroll down to the bottom, click on IDOT CAD Support and Information. Once you go to that page, you can see we have our downloads and guides. This is the new Open Roads Designer CAD manual. We have example plans. Example plans are still in an update, so it will show you the existing example plans. The new ones are coming soon. You have a bridge model sample file, straight bridge 3D modeling in OBM, and generative components. All have to do with Open Bridge. We do use Open Bridge Modeler and Open Roads Designer, which if you go down to the support page and click on the support tab, you can see that we are currently running Open Roads Designer 2022 R3, which is 10.12.2.4 for production, and we are using Open Bridge Modeler 2022 R2, which is 10.12.1.83. And they come in the same download. Consultants should contact their appropriate project manager for related information in conjunction with ORD and OBM and IDOT contracts. So if we go down to IDOT Connect Environment, click on this, it'll download a zip file. And now this is a self-extracting zip file. It won't harm your computer. It just packages the IDOT Connect environment. I'm not going to download this because I already have it installed. Click delete on that. Right underneath that, we have our consultant setup guide, which shows you through and walks you through how to set up Open Roads Designer. This video is complimentary to that guide to help you set it up. Underneath that, we have our IDOT Connected Environment revision history. If I go open this document, this document shows every revision we've made to the IDOT CAD workspace. You see this is 10.12.05, which was the last release, and it covers everything that we've changed in the IDOT workspace. This no major changes from 10.12.04 to 10.12.05. We're just adding annotation, adding stuff to the cell libraries, added some new 2D cell definitions to the drainage cell, added some new 3D to the drainage cell, added some dynamic cross-section levels or cells. We added some different civil label definitions, and we modified the configuration to read a lot of the changes that we have. The documentation has IDOT CAD civil labels PDF in it to show what was updated. And then there's a documentation for the updated sheet index. Updated element templates for drainage. We added stuff for right-of-way, utilities, more annotation sheets for plats, right-of-way annotation. We added symbols. We added new feature definitions. We added the new function key stuff. We added stuff to the GUI. We added these levels, GIS right-of-way levels. So when you import GIS parcels or right-of-way features as shape files, you have a level to put it on. We edited some line styles. We edited some macros. We edited all the print styles, DGN library, and the plot configuration files. We did some updates. We added the IDS sheets to the DGN libraries. We added the right-of-way appraisal sheets and the plat of highways inside ANSI B and the right-of-way plat in ANSI B. Seed files were updated, sheet index updated. So you can go through this document step by step, and it tells you everything we've updated, and it goes all the way down to the last update, which is 10.12.04, and it'll show everything we updated in 10.12.04. This is a running document that we keep up to date all the time, and it documents every change we make. See, it's 55 pages. So when we roll out 2024, which is coming soon, we'll be rolling out ORD 2024, Open Bridge Modeler 2024, and an ORD connected workspace for ORD, OBM, and the tollway for 2024.2. Now, pay attention to that because we're going to be using 2024.2. There's a bug in 2024. There's a bug in 2024.1. 2024.2 is a stable version. If you need a project-wise account or access to the project file exchange, you come down here and do it. And with our new CAD manual, we have an online resources page. So if you go to the online resources page, it gives you the tollway BIM manual, the LOD scoping table, and the master LOD models of legal document tables, 11x17 format. And what this table does, it explains everything in the LOD scoping table. Chapter 3 covers the example content file for 2D and 3D projects. Chapter 4, there are XLS or spreadsheets of levels and filters, color table, feature definition, text styles, dimension styles, cell library. Civil cell listing and videos are coming soon. All the new survey point codes and all the terrain filters coming soon. Chapter 5 is roadway drawing seeds. They're coming soon. And all the support and CAD managers' contact information. These are who the CAD managers are in each district. Then links to manuals that are important. BD manual, survey manual, Land Act manual, bridge manual, US manual, sign structure manual, highway standards sign book, Illinois supplemental manual for uniform traffic control devices, then a culvert manual, then other district-specific manuals and links to different example plans.